Hello, thanks for joining me for another beer review then. Today we're heading to Bristol again and the Lost and Grounded Brewers, and this is their Helles. It's a 4.4% ABV unfiltered lager beer and it's brewed with a blend of Keller Pils, pilsner malts, and gently hopped with Magnum, Perle and Tettnang hops. But yeah, lovely. I love that kind of artwork there. It's pretty cool. So yeah, I bought a 4-pack of this from the Little Swift at the sort of the back end of when was it exactly? Early April, late March. So I was waiting for a bit of weather. I've already had 2 actually, so thought I'd give it a review as I've got 2 left. Hopefully the weather's going to change. I've got a few reviews in the wood at the moment at the time of recording, so it's going to be a good old week before you see this. Well, you won't know, but you know what I mean. So there we go, 440ml in the glass. Let me just tap that a little bit. That'll do. So yeah, it's definitely, you can see it's slightly hazy, so it is unfiltered. So yeah, didn't really pour much of a white head, kind of not even a half of a finger, just a lightly film across the top of the beer. Carbonation's running up through it, kind of a straw colour. Yeah, straw, lemony kind of colour. So let's give it a swirl and a sniff. This is actually, it says here, in 2021 we welcome Helles as a full-time addition to our core range. So this is a core range beer now. Yeah, lovely kind of lemony notes. Yeah, light citrusy lemon. Maybe a little bit of yeah, lime, lemon and lime kind of deal. Getting them grains in there for sure. Definitely getting that pilsner malt, slightly sweet. Really nice, really lovely aroma. Yeah, freshly cut grass. Smells good. Let's give it a try. Cheers. As soon as you get the beer near your mouth, you just kind of know it's like it's a very nice lager, I have to say. Very clean. It cuts through. Refreshing. Very drinkable. Obviously, it's a low ABV. I would rather have something like this over any of the mainstream lagers. I mean, it's just I mean, if you're gasping for a beer, any lager's good, I get that, but if you want something with just a little bit more, something like a Helles lager, you know, one of these, or you know, it's perfect for it. It just really is. Alright, you're paying a little bit more, but you can taste the quality is so much more better. So much more better, so much better. That's lovely. Getting a little bit of that kind of I'd say hops, Tettnang hop. I think that obviously it's going to play well, being a German hop varietal. There's a little bit kind of drying, with maybe possibly of the Magnum hops. I'm not too sure. But yeah, it's just hitting the spot. One of them beers. I mean, most of these kind of half decent lagers are amazing, and I've definitely grown a fondness for them over the last probably since about September of last year, when I first started trying some of the more traditional German Helles beers over there, and I've been on and off for a while sort of with the German beers, but it really got me last kind of late summer autumn, and Just need a bit of weather just to go with something quality like this. But yeah, either way, lovely stuff. So, from the Lost and Grounded Brewers down in Bristol, this is their Helles Unfiltered Lager beer, 4.4% ABV. So let me know if I've had this one. I think it's a really cracking beer, and I have another can. So yeah, absolutely, check them out. I think I've got a playlist down below. I'm not too sure. I don't know if it's worth me doing one. I think I've done a few reviews of from this brewery. Oh me, so yeah, great stuff. So, Lost and Grounded, their Helles Lager beer. Thanks for watching then. All the information is down below, of course. You'll keep safe, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.